In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Zoho Creator Forms to Zoho CRM. If you're trying to send data from a Creator form into your CRM, this workflow is the key step. By linking the two, you can capture information in your form and have it automatically organized inside the right Zoho CRM module. First, open Zoho Creator. Take a moment to make sure you are signed in to the correct account, because the integration you create will be tied to your Creator environment. Once the Zoho Creator dashboard is visible, you can continue to the next step with confidence. Next, click Create, then choose Form, and then select Integration Form. This is important because an integration form is designed specifically for connecting Creator to external systems. When you click through these options, you should see an interface that prompts you to select what you want to connect to. After that, select Zoho CRM from the available integration options. This tells Creator that your form will be linked to your CRM data, rather than sending information to a different tool. Make sure you actually choose Zoho CRM here, because your next settings depend on this selection. Once Zoho CRM is selected, click Add Data Source. Think of a data source as the specific connection point between your form and your CRM. This step sets up the connection so Creator knows where it should send the captured form data. Now you will authorize and select your Zoho CRM organization. Authorization is the part where Zoho Creator confirms that it is allowed to access your CRM account. When you are prompted, complete the authorization process and then choose the correct Zoho CRM organization from the list. If you have multiple organizations, selecting the right one is essential for accurate data flow. After the organization is selected, choose the CRM module you want to work with. This module determines where the submitted form records will appear inside Zoho CRM. For example, if your form is collecting lead information, you would choose the module intended for leads. Spend a moment here to confirm the module matches the purpose of your form, because this is how your data will be stored and managed. Next, click Create. This will generate the integration form configuration based on the CRM module you selected and the data source connection you authorized. At this point, Zoho Creator is prepared to link your form inputs to the CRM destination you chose. To finish, review what appears after clicking Create and confirm that the integration form is properly set up to point to the correct Zoho CRM module. If the interface shows your data source and module details, that is a good sign that the connection is ready. From here, you can continue with any form field mapping and setup that follows in your Creator workflow, but the core link between Creator and CRM has been established. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.